and directly it is going to automatic repair options. It is diagnosing our PC. Issue when I turn on my system, and my system is going into the automatic repair options and then diagnosing your PC. So this video is for you. I will show you how to fix it. PC did not start correctly. Getting the other error, what you can do is you just need to click on startup options here. Don't come like this way. So what you can do is you can turn off your PC here properly, just turn it on, and once the window loads from here, you just need to like this, press and hold the power button, and then you need to turn it off, repeat the, but my window is itself not booting and again showing the error forcefully. Click on advanced options, click on advanced options, then you need to open the command prompt, and as it is showing here, you need to sign. There are no administrator account on this PC. I know I have the admin rights, but it is showing that that is not available here. It didn't fix the issue. Again, troubleshoot. It is not working for me, so I can't show you the command prompt steps. Then let's move on to the next, to the safe mode. Let's try this. Click on startup setting and press F4 or 4 on your keyboard to go into the safe mode. It's also not working on my laptop, and again it is throwing the same error. Then click on advanced options, then click on this option system restore. Again it is saying there is no administrator on my account, so I can't able to perform the system restore. Just go ahead and select the latest restore point on your system, and you should able to show. But in my case that is also not working, so let's try to uninstall quality update, and again, so command prompt startup UFI firmware, just go to this option, let's restart, and I need to press F10 key to go BIOS options. Now let's go to the boot options, system configuration, and somehow you need to go to the boot options and look for your C OS drive, and you can see window is showing up here. If it is not showing up here, that means that your hard drive is not working and it is corrupted. You may have to replace the hard drive, but my SSD is showing up here simply, so I can press escape here. Boot priority is also good in my system. First is OS boot, second one is USB. You can select your boot manager is on the top. You can change the value from F5 to F6. So let's see now F5. When I press F5, it is going down, and when I press F6, it's going up. Now once you made this changes, just click on F10 to save the changes and click on enter button. Now let's try to reset our PC if that is also able to fix the issue, and all the data will be gone from the C drive since my window is not booting at all, so I can't able to follow any of the steps. So I am going to remove everything and see if that is working for me. Or even you can select the options to keep your personal files and data. If choose only the drive where window is installed, just remove my files and plug in your laptop with a charger. Just turn it on and you can see remove all the personal file, remove any changes made to the system. All the things will be restored to the as the factory reset, and everything should be working fine now. If reset is also not working on your system, what you can do is you can just go ahead and make a bootable pen drive and then try to fix the issue. Reset is also failed in my system. If reset is also not working on your system, you have the last option, that is make a bootable pen drive and reinstall the fresh window, Windows 10 or 11, whichever version you are using. And after that you should able to fix it. These are the solutions to fix the issue, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.